Humidity can creep into your home and quietly steal comfort, but a solid dehumidifier setup can change the game in minutes. Today, we're counting down the top 5 dehumidifiers that balance power, efficiency, and value, so you can pick the right one for your space. Whether you're fighting damp in a basement, a laundry room, or a steamy bathroom, these picks are ready to perform. Today, I'm going to be going over the best dehumidifiers that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the MOUNTO Commercial Dehumidifier. MOUNTO Commercial Dehumidifier is built for serious moisture control in larger spaces where reliability matters, and it shows up with a robust feature set designed to handle damp environments without fuss. This machine is designed to extract up to 80 pints of moisture per day under typical basement or garage conditions, making it a natural fit for crawl spaces, workshops, or storage areas that see persistent humidity. Exterior is a rotomolded, indestructible-looking shell that resists dents and corrosion, which matters in garages where bumping into shelving is common. Inside, a commercial-grade refrigerant coil allows efficient condensation even when ambient temperatures drift toward the cooler end of the spectrum, and the unit is designed to operate in a wider temperature range than consumer models. Built-in condensate management system provides flexible drainage options, gravity drainage via a standard hose for permanent installations, and an optional pump accessory for vertical discharge or remote drainage in tight spaces. Control panel is clear and straightforward, offering a digital humidistat that maintains the target relative humidity with a simple dial or keypad input, plus adjustable dual-speed fans to balance extraction rate and noise. MOUNTO Dehumidifier also includes safety and convenience features, an auto-defrost cycle to prevent frost buildup in cool basements, an auto shutoff when the reservoir fills, and a continuous drainage option that eliminates the need to move a full tank at inconvenient moments. Portability is practical rather than purely cosmetic, with heavy-duty casters and ergonomic handles that let teams reposition the unit as the space layout changes. Energy efficiency is part of the package, with an optimized compressor and smart load management that helps you conserve power during long basements or seasonal swings. Maintenance is straightforward. Washable, easily accessible air filter, simple filter replacement, and a service-friendly housing design that reduces downtime. For specifications, think 115-volt operation and a compact footprint relative to the output, designed to slot neatly into laundry rooms, big basements, or utility closets. Warranty support is solid, with a standard period that covers parts and labor for common wear and tear scenarios. In practice, this unit shines in the larger, busier spaces where constant humidity control matters, reducing mustiness, preventing mold risk, and keeping metal fixtures and stored goods in better condition. Paired to the TABYIK dehumidifier, which I have included as number 4 on this list, MOUNTO's 80-pint capacity and rugged, industrial-grade construction favor demanding environments and consistent long-term performance, whereas TABYIK leans toward compact, room-by-room flexibility and silent operation for smaller spaces. At number 4, we have the TABYIK dehumidifier. TABYIK dehumidifier is designed with the bedroom, bathroom, and small living areas in mind, combining compact form with thoughtful humidity control. While it may not match the 80-pint daily capacity of the MOUNTO, the TABYIK unit is still capable of delivering a solid extract rate that keeps damp air from lingering in tight spaces where comfort matters most. Design emphasizes quiet operation, which makes it particularly suited for nighttime use or rooms where you want to avoid disruptive fan noise. The compact footprint means you can tuck the unit into corners, behind doors, or alongside a dresser without visually dominating the space, and the casters or short cord design add to the ease of positioning. TABYIK typically features a user-friendly control panel with a programmable humidistat, making it simple to set a target RH and let the unit automatically adjust. It supports continuous drainage via a gravity hose, reducing the hassle of emptying a tank in a bedroom or closet. And many models include a washable air filter that deters dust buildup while maintaining air quality. Sensible energy profile helps minimize power draw during extended operation, which is useful for spaces that must stay dry around the clock. For use cases, think small apartments, bathrooms after showers, or home offices where humidity control improves comfort and reduces condensation on windows and mirrors. In terms of reliability, TABYIK offers a solid feature set for its size, though it generally won't match the raw extraction of larger, commercial units. Compared to KeepGlad dehumidifier, which I have included as number 3 on this list, TABYIK emphasizes quiet, compact operation and ease of placement, so it's a strong choice when space and noise are primary concerns. At number 3, we have the KeepGlad dehumidifier. KeepGlad dehumidifier is positioned for medium-sized living spaces where you want dependable humidity control without stepping up to a true commercial unit. It offers an efficient extraction rate suitable for rooms around the 1,000 square foot range, making it a practical choice for living rooms, basements that are not fully unfinished, and larger bedrooms. You'll find an electronic humidistat that maintains the target relative humidity, with a simple interface that even casual users can operate without a manual in hand. 24-hour timer allows you to program when you want the unit to operate, which is helpful for energy management and aligning dehumidification with your daily schedule. KeepGlad model generally includes auto-defrost to prevent frost buildup when the air is cooler, especially in basement corners that rarely see sun. A washable filter simplifies maintenance and keeps penetration of dust to a minimum, improving overall air quality in the living space. Noise is kept within comfortable limits for open-concept homes, allowing you to enjoy conversations, movies, or music without an overpowering hum. The unit's compact footprint provides flexibility for placement under stairs, in laundry nooks, or near closets where moisture tends to accumulate. While it isn't a heavy-duty basements unit, KeepGlad is robust enough to handle typical humidity swings in everyday environments and does a reliable job of preventing dampness from negatively affecting walls and cabinetry. Paired to the generic basement dehumidifier, which I have included as number 2 on this list, KeepGlad focuses on mid-sized spaces with a balance of environmental performance and user-friendly controls, delivering a more refined experience for those who don't need industrial-grade extraction but still want consistent results. At number 2, we have the generic basement dehumidifier. Generic basement dehumidifier is designed with basement projects in mind, where you want serious moisture removal without paying premium for a dedicated commercial system. This unit typically targets a higher daily extraction rate, enough to keep damp concrete walls at bay and to reduce musty odors in low-level spaces that struggle with humidity year-round. Expect simple, intuitive controls, an electronic humidistat for set-and-forget operation, an adjustable defrost cycle to keep performance steady in cool climates, and a drainage option that makes continuous operation feasible without constantly checking a dollop of water in a reservoir. Bigger basin or reservoir is standard, along with a typical filter system that helps suppress dust levels in the damp air. The unit's design is oriented toward home improvement projects. It's portable, relatively easy to install into a laundry room or utility closet, and it provides a sensible balance between performance, price, and energy use. For people who want more capacity without stepping into heavy industrial equipment, this basement-friendly model offers a credible middle ground. Paired to the generic dehumidifier, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the basement-oriented design emphasizes larger extraction rates and drainage setups that reduce frequent tank emptying in dedicated storage spaces, even if it means a slightly bulkier footprint and more noise. At number 1, we have the generic dehumidifier. Generic dehumidifier represents the everyday workhorse of humidity control. Reliable, broadly capable, and accessible for a wide range of spaces from laundry rooms to small utility closets. It typically provides a solid 40-50 pints per day capability in standard conditions, with the flexibility of continuous drainage if you require uninterrupted operation. The advantages include a straightforward control panel, a built-in humidistat for maintaining your chosen relative humidity, and a washable filter that's easy to rinse and reinsert. Compact form factor makes it a versatile option for apartments, condos, or any workspace that needs moisture management without bulk. This model is commonly priced to be accessible, making it a popular entry point for homeowners who want steady performance without paying premium for heavy-duty equipment. In real-world use, it handles typical humidity swings caused by daily activities, bathroom condensate from showers, and laundry room moisture during drying cycles. It's not designed for industrial-scale moisture extraction, but it does a dependable job for the average room, basement corner, or small workshop. Paired to the MOUNTO Commercial Dehumidifier, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the generic dehumidifier prioritizes portability and budget-conscious operation, offering straightforward features without the extra bulk or specialized functions that mark commercial-grade equipment.